Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create fintiba account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to create a fintiba account, you have to follow these steps. First, open your web browser and search for fintiba. Then go to the official fintiba website. Once there, click on the Open Account button to begin the registration process. You can also use the fintiba app if you prefer completing the process on your phone. Next, enter your personal details carefully. This includes your email address and a secure password. Make sure the email you provide is valid because you'll need it for verification. After filling in the required fields, click Continue or Create Account. After this, fintiba will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the message from fintiba and copy the code, then paste this code on fintiba's website. This confirms your email and activates your account. Once verified, log in with your email and password to access your fintiba dashboard. From your dashboard, you can start setting up services like your blocked account for visa purposes, health insurance, or other financial services. Fintiba will guide you step by step through each process once your account is active. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a fintiba account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.